If you saw the title of the video today, that means we're talking about coils. Which ones are good, who makes the best, and what things are nice about some that others could improve on, all that kind of jazz. So Nate, who makes the best coil?
In my opinion, it's Ogvape.
Right? I think Ogvape makes a really good coil too. What's so nice about them?
They just, like, they last. That's the main thing. Plus, like, they taste great. In the Ogvape AIO, mainly, those coils are amazing. They taste great. They last forever.
Right? And it's cool
really
that they're
hard.
like a mesh kind of design.
Yeah, mesh is always nice.
That's how you get that. Good surface area, which means killer flavor. I really like that. You know, a different style of device, like a standard tank, I think U-Force makes the best coils there.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, U-Force.
Because like the way they're designed, when you screw them in, they seal on the bottom of the lip, so absolutely no juice can actually leak through the airflow, which is really cool.
Which is a big problem with smock devices.
Well, smock coils in general suck.
Yeah, smock coils just kind of blow. Like, well, it's like it's hit or miss with them. And
you can tell that even in their tanks and in their like Saltnik devices, because like, you know, hit or miss, especially on Nord coils.
Yeah, not good.
But then also that translates like into tanks. You know, like the coils are very, very hit or miss. You know, typically burn out.
Yes.
Like flavor's not the best.
Yeah. And I mean, I feel like companies like Smock just use their name, and then they get like they make a good device, but then they just don't keep you with those coils, you know.
Exactly.
Like fucking U-Force, they make great coils. So when you buy their device, and this is just a problem with the company in general, like Smock, they're gonna lose customers because of that.
Exactly.
They continue to not give, like, if you continuously randomly get shitty coils, you're gonna eventually be like, I want a different tank because I'm tired of spending money on these coils and not getting anything.
Well, and it's such a bummer too, because Smock makes like really good boxes, really good devices, but then like the part that you really need to perform well just fails, which is awful.
Which is why mainly U-Force is the way to go with the tank, because you're always gonna have. Every time you buy coils, you're gonna get 3 good coils or whatever, however big the pack you get.
Well, and like Vupu is a great name, just like Ogvape is a great name, which is why they make like great coils. I'm assuming, and you'd expect the same from somebody like Smock. I mean, I think just like you said, you know, they started off with their name, and since it's so popular now, people just buy it because it's Smock, not because it's good.
Yeah,
you know?
Right. Yeah, I think some companies, like, they use their coils to make them more money, right? Versus like Smock's probably like, you know what, we sell so many devices, people buy them anyway.
Well, and it's crazy because like when they're good, they're really good. Like in the Nord brand new coil, it's gonna be one of the best things you'll hit in a while. But then, oftentimes it'll burn out immediately, and you're all upset.
Yeah, and a burnt coil sucks. A coil that just goes bad and isn't even really burnt out. Like, you know, whenever the airflow gets super tight just because your coil's all gunky. Yeah. That's terrible. It's so shitty. It's so shitty.
So, Nate, I guess the crux of this video, which devices come with the best coil? Something that gives you the best flavor, something that lasts the longest? What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, we pretty much said it already. For pod systems, I'd say it's the Ogvape AIO. It has the best coils.
And and filling mechanism. Everything about it is awesome.
Yeah. And then you go to
like the
tanks
U-Force
and mods. Yeah. U-Force.
For sure, because like they come with a bunch of different coil options, and to suit whatever you want, really, and they all last, which is great.
Yeah.
And there's a bunch of different U-Force tanks too, but they use the same technology in all of them. They're nice.
Yeah. Very nice.
I think Vupu kind of just took a look at Smock's tanks. It was like, okay, what can we do better? And then they just did.
They were like, oh, coils.
And that's where we're at. Yep.
Yeah.
So I guess we've got both of those devices linked down below. They're definitely devices you should check out if you want something with killer coils. And, you know, hit a comment if you thought we missed something, or if there's something you want to say, and drop a like too. So thanks for watching this. This video is more or less just a conversation we wanted to have. You know, bring it to you. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.
Peace out.